Hello everyone, my name is Mirko. We are here today at the Electra training area to show you, following to a software update on the electronic boards, how to program the machines model BELLE EPOQUE, 60s and BARLUME. The new and simplified programming is available only for the machine having serial number greater than 180244. To check the serial number, simply look at the label placed either in front of the machine or under the machine itself. Let's see now how to program the doses for each group. When the machine is off, press and hold the fifth button on the first group, then switch on the machine. Right now, the 5 LED are flashing. Confirm with the middle key Enter. The first dose is now selected. Let's press Enter again, and the LED will now flash slowly. Now that the first LED is selected, we simulate a coffee extraction. Press the first plus button to start dispensing and restart it to stop it at the desired quantity. Automatically, the machine asks you to adjust the second dose. Press Enter to confirm. The dose is ready to be set. Let's select the button of the corresponding dose and let's stop it at the quantity needed. Repeat the procedure for the following 2 doses. At the end of this adjustment, all the lights will be off and the machine will be ready to use. In case you want to adjust the different doses from group number 1 to group number 2 and eventually group number 3, you simply have to follow the instructions just seen together. But please make sure you press and hold the fifth button of the group you want to set. In this case, we are going to set group number 2. In the more frequent case where you want to copy the doses of group 1 to group 2 and eventually to group 3, the procedure is very simple. With the machine off, press and hold the fourth button of group 1. Then switch on the machine. With this simple operation, the doses have been copied to the other groups. Let's see now how to view and change the brewing temperature. For this operation, we need the programming key. Insert the key and turn it clockwise. The first LED on the first group will now flash. Press the key twice and then Enter to confirm. The brewing temperature is now indicated by the LED of the group 2. If no light is on, it means that the standard temperature is the one set by the factory, which means around 90 degrees. To increase or decrease the temperature, let's act on the plus or minus keys. The settable range goes from -10 to +6 from the standard. Setting the time is really important to then adjust the night cycle. To do this, we need again our programming key. The first LED now flashes. Confirm by press the central Enter button. The time is now displayed at the group number 2. As simplification, we remind you that midnight corresponds to all the lights off. Assuming that now it is 10 o'clock in the morning, we need to operate the plus button 10 times. Confirm with the Enter button. We strongly recommend that you set the night cycle, which not only permits an important saving of electricity cost, but also allows to put the machine in rest mode during the closing time. To do this, we need the programming key. The first LED will flash. Press the plus key and the second LED will flash. Confirm with the Enter key. The lights of group 2 now show the night cycle activation time. Let's act on the plus and minus key until reaching the desired activation time. For your convenience, we remind you that all lights off correspond to midnight. Once you find the right time, press Enter. Now let's adjust the night cycle disabling time. Confirm with the Enter button. Once the night cycle has been set, it is possible to disable and to reactivate it with a simple procedure. When the machine is off, let's press and hold the central button, then switch on the machine. The function is confirmed by the 5 LEDs blinking simultaneously. To reactivate the night cycle again, when the machine is off, press the central button and switch on the machine. One of the main features introduced by the new software is the possibility to wash the groups independently and in full autonomy. To do this, we need to prepare our portafilter with a blind filter and the cleaning tablet. If you want to wash group number 1, for example, press and hold the first button on group 1 and switch on the machine. Then confirm by pressing the Enter button. The washing of the group is now in progress. At the end of the flashing cycle, LEDs 1, 3 and 5 will flash. At this point, we need to remove the filter holder with the blind filter and press the Enter for the final rings. On the other side, if we want, for example, to wash group number 2 while continuing to brew with group number 1, we need to follow the same procedure. We prepare our portafilter with the blind filter, and when the machine is off, we press and hold the first button on group 2 and we switch on the machine. Let's confirm with the Enter button. Right now, group number 2 is under washing process, while we can continue to brew with group number 1. In case you are in need to program a Sixties T1 group machine, first of all you need to remove the grill and the upper cup warmer. The LEDs related to temperature, time and night cycle are now visible inside the machine. The plus, minus and enter command remain obviously available on the keyboard in front of the machine itself.